Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a fascinating topic, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates independently of central banks and governments. It is a type of virtual currency that uses encryption techniques to secure transactions and manage a decentralized ledger. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are many others, such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. Cryptocurrencies function like traditional currency, allowing us to buy goods and services, send money to friends and family, and even invest in various projects. The value of cryptocurrencies is determined by supply and demand. As more people start using them and more businesses accept them, the value of cryptocurrencies can increase or decrease. This makes them a fascinating investment opportunity for those who understand the market and are willing to take risks. To start earning from cryptocurrency, you can consider a few strategies. 1. Investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative strategy, especially if you believe the market will grow and your chosen cryptocurrency will outperform the rest. You can buy and hold cryptocurrencies or invest in cryptocurrency ETFs. 2. Mining. Mining is the process of verifying transactions on a cryptocurrency network and adding them to the ledger. Mining requires powerful computers and can generate significant amounts of revenue. 3. Trading. Cryptocurrency trading can also generate income. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, leveraging your capital to profit from market fluctuations. 4. Crypto gambling. Some people use cryptocurrencies to participate in gambling activities, such as playing casino games or placing sports bets. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies offer a new way to transact and invest, with the potential for significant returns. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and to only invest what you can afford to lose. Start exploring the world of cryptocurrency today and discover how it can benefit you.